Big Crazy John here with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures. This is going to be a new series of videos I'm going to do on Tuesdays for Timelapse Tuesday. And this is going to be a time warp video using the GoPro Hero 7 feature. It takes super stabilized time-lapse video. And this trip we just had out to Colorado, Utah, and Arizona was awesome. I'm going to be sharing a lot of videos of the hikes we did, and there'll be time lapses of those. So this is starting us off, and this is going to be in Moab, Utah. There's a sand flats recreation area. It's a Bureau of Land Management area. It's 8,000 acres, and it's an incredible place. It has some trails, like it has a Slick Rock Trail that's really popular. It has a Hell's Revenge Trail. It's a 4x4 trail. And then the Fins and Things is a 4x4 trail, and that is the trail that is in this video that you're going to see. And if you stay tuned long enough, you'll see Don had a little bit of an accident, and everything's fine. Luckily, we had some people come and help us out, but I have to say thanks, Don, for always making things interesting on our trips. And if you're not familiar with Don Brandt, he has a YouTube channel. I'll have that linked at the end, as well as a funny video I made with Don on a boat trip we did, and it's called "I'm Not Worried About the Gas." That'll be linked. So, other thing, the live video, the highlights kind of video, I will publish that coming up soon, I believe on Thursday. So be looking for that one, and then just stay tuned and watch the video. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a great time, and I want to remind you to get outside and have some fun. Thanks for watching.